In this video, I'm going to tell you guys how you can track the Zeta Markets using Bitquery APIs. All the saved API links will be in the description along with the Bitquery Telegram channel link. You will need to sign up first on Bitquery ID as a developer to get free 10,000 points to run and test the APIs. We will be seeing three APIs in this tutorial. First one will be API to track the placed orders on Zeta Markets. Second one will be API to track the liquidations on Zeta in real time. Third one will be API to track the settling of funds on Zeta in real time. So let's get started. Firstly, make sure this is EAP here. The schema takes a little time to load sometimes. So EAP is our early access program. Right now Solana is in EAP, that is we only providing real time data for Solana right now. Team is backfilling historical data, it will be available soon. So to know which instruction is responsible for this placing orders, liquidations and settling of funds on Zeta, we will write an API which will give us all the instruction calls of Zeta in the last 8 hours or so, as we only have last 8 hours of data in Solana currently. So to start with the first API, select Solana, then instructions, and then in where we will put our filter. We will set our program address here in the instruction as a filter. The program address is going to be the Zeta address. And now we are going to select the fields we need info about. So we need all the instruction methods of the Zeta program, right? So we need to select instruction and then program and under that method. And then we select the count. So count will give us the number of times each method is called in these past 8 hours. Now run the query and you'll be able to see all the instruction methods that Zeta program have. So this is the highest count. That means that this program method has been called the most number of times. So this is the program method that is basically placing orders in Zeta. So this is liquidate v2 instruction and we will track our liquidations on Zeta using this instruction method. And also going to track the settling of funds using this settled x funds. Let's write an API to track orders getting placed on Zeta. Select Solana, instructions, and then put a filter using where. In where select instruction program address, put Zeta address here. We are also going to set the method in the filter, which is going to be the empty one. Because we are parsing this place multicall instruction as basically empty string. And now we also want to set one more filter, which is transaction result success to be true, because I don't want to track the transaction which are failed. Now we are going to select the fields we need info about. Select instruction, then select accounts, and under accounts we need to select address, is it writable or not, and the token details, program owner ID and mint. Also going to select logs, this will give us some details, and then under program, account names, address, and then arguments. Under arguments, name, type and value, and all of these data types we need to select. We'll also select name and method, and also this transaction signature, so that we can look these transactions on Solscan. Now change this query keyword to subscription to make this as a WebSocket and a continuous stream. Now we can run this subscription query, and this will keep on running and give us the orders placed transaction on Zeta. But I'll just stop it because I don't want to exhaust my points. I'll just copy this API and paste it in the new tab and just change this method here, which will be liquidate v2. And from this API we'll be able to track the liquidations on Zeta in real time. I can again copy and just paste it in the new tab and just change this to settled X funds, and we'll be able to track the settling of funds in real time on Zeta. So these were the APIs for Zeta Markets. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and head over to our Telegram channel if you have any questions.